there, space explorers! Welcome back to Curious Cub. It's your space buddy, your name here. And today we're blasting off on an epic space adventure. Sound effect rocket engine starting up. Whoosh! But wait, before we launch, I have a big question for you. Do you know what asteroids and comets are? I heard some of you say giant space rocks. That's right. But there's a big difference between asteroids and comets. Want to find out? Buckle up, space explorers. We're taking off. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Camera shakes slightly as if the spaceship is launching. Whoa! Look at that! We're in the asteroid belt. This is where asteroids live. Asteroids of different shapes and sizes start floating by. Quiz time! Asteroids are made of A. Ice and dust. B. Rock and metal. If you said rock and metal, ding, 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 you got it. Asteroids are like giant floating space potatoes. Some are small, some are huge, even bigger than a city. Zoom in on a giant asteroid. Good thing they just float around in space, right? Imagine having one in your backyard. Oops, too big. Uh-oh, what's that? Something's zooming super fast. Whoosh, that's not an asteroid. It's a comet. Show a bright, glowing comet flying past. Comets are ice-cold space snowballs. But here's the cool part. When they get close to the sun, the heat makes them grow a big, glowing tail. Show a comet's tail forming. Fun fact. A comet's tail can be millions of kilometers long. That's like 10,000 football fields in a row. Whoa! Time for an epic space showdown. Let's see who wins. Asteroids or comets? Round 1. What are they made of? Asteroids =, rock and metal. Comets =, ice and dust. Round 2. Who has a tail? Asteroids =, nope, just a big rock. Comets =, yes, super long glowing tail. Round 3. Where do they live? Asteroids =, asteroid belt. Comets =, far, far away in the icy Oort cloud. Winner? Both, because they're both super cool in their own way. Uh-oh, sometimes tiny space rocks come near Earth. But don't worry, most of them burn up in the sky before they hit the ground. That's what we call a shooting star. Make a wish. Quick, make a wish. But don't wish for an asteroid pet. They're way too big for your bedroom. Did you know that scientists have found real asteroid pieces on Earth? They're called meteorites. That means you could hold a real piece of space in your hand. Whoa! Show NASA's mission to asteroid Bennu. And NASA even sent a spaceship to an asteroid named Bennu to bring back a sample. Space is awesome! So now you know, asteroids are rocky space potatoes and comets are icy snowballs with tails. They both zoom through space, making our solar system super cool. Which one do you think is cooler, asteroids or comets? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video if you had fun. Subscribe to Curious Cub for more space adventures. Tell your friends what you learned today. See you next time, space explorers. Keep looking up at the stars.